Hello friends. I'm back with my new video of Creative Mind A to Z. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn a old spoiled diary into a beautiful one. Like you can see, I had painted this a few months ago and the paint has totally spoiled really badly. You can see it also. So I'm going to decorate this diary and make it into a beautiful one. So for all this you will be needing is a plain white cardboard, then a old calendar which has some innovative images in it. Like see, you can see my one. Then you need a pair of scissors, and you will be needing some stickers also, and stickers are obviously optional. It depends on you. Like let me show you also. See, these are stickers and these are optional. So now let's start. Okay, to make it, first we will take the old calendar and we will cut out and I will cut out some of my favorite images. Okay, so I have cut out two images. The first one is this and the second one is this, a boy studying. Okay, so now these are enough because when I place them I see that they are already enough to cover the space and there's no space for the third one. See, and here this space I need also because I'm going to write something on the top. So now I'm going to paste this. So I'm putting dots. I'm only putting dots so that the glue is not wasted too much. And now I will use the applicator to spread it. It's there in a gum, or else you can spread it with your fingers also, as I told in my bookmark video also. So now I will be putting one more dot. It's enough, I think so, to spread. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Now I will put one dot here, a powerful one, so that it spreads nicely, but it's not spreading, so I will apply some more glue. Okay, so it's done. Now I will paste it. Now I will do same for the second picture and I will paste it. So as you can see, I've pasted both the images, and now I'm going to take this white cardboard and cut out a small rectangular piece to write any small quotation on it. So I've drawn line and I know that I have to cut this much. Now I'll take the scissor and cut it. And draw the lines using scale because or else it will be spoiled. So first I have written with pencil. Practice make me perfect. You can write anything, and now I will use a black mark or red one to write it upon this pencil's marks only. Now I will color it with crayons or whatever you wish to use. Okay, so I've colored it. Now I will paste here on the top. Okay, so that side part I have covered with white color, and the bottom I have left, and on the top I have done. So I hope you liked my this video. You can see my new diary is ready, and the back, don't worry of the back part because no one sees the back part, and even if you decorate it, it will get spoiled. So it's better you decorate the front part. And see, I have decorated. I hope you liked my idea, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Creative Mind A to Z, as I talk about all the things from technology to crafts. Thank you.